And there you have it. Yes, indeed. I showed y'all the pictures too. Had to put it in there, you know. So, anyway, not time for the final thought, okay? Well, anyway, I couldn't believe I waited till this day to do the MechaCon episode 4, okay? Without doing loose leaf videos, which I did loose leaf videos, you know. People dressed up in costumes, and so many good people I met, you know. But as far as Nala goes, I don't think Nala into stuff like that, you know. So, and you know what? I want to tell y'all, before I finish the final thought, okay? I apologize for that pic that looked foggy because my hand was shaking, you know, because I have bad nerves and I'm taking medicine and stuff like that. So anyway, I got off camera to tell y'all, tell them people that I'm a very sick man, okay? So I apologize for the pics. Now I continue with the final thought. I mean, cosplay is real awesome, as well as being a wrestling fan, you know. I mean, I love wrestling, but I'm not a wrestling fan. But even either way around, cosplay, I love cosplay. You know, like looking at people dressing up in character like Sailor Moon, Deadpool, Spider-Man, Superman, Batman, and stuff like that. And this outfit right here. Look at this outfit I'm wearing. I wear this every year for MechaCon. I normally wear it on Saturdays, but today is Sunday, okay? So, if y'all see me wear something like this, yep, it's me, okay? Until I wear this shirt out, but I'm starting to wear this once a year, okay? I've been having this shirt since 2005 after Katrina, or 2006, okay? So, it's still wearable, okay? All right. So, I mean, my best friend Brittany and my other best friend Dianca Stokes, okay? So Dianca appeared on my show one time, and that was it. And then the first season of my show, or the second season of my show, I was talking to Dianca on the phone when I put my microphone to the ear receiver, okay? So I wish I could have brought her to MechaCon. I wonder how cute she would have dressed in a costume. A nice skirt or nice shorts. I don't know. But Dianca's not my wife. I thought about that with Nala, a.k.a. Pooh. But unfortunately, I don't know. I really don't know. Until my last words of wisdom, you know. Because I love everybody, you know. But I knew I wasn't going to see Kristen and Allie. They must have stood in the rooms all day or went and walked to a store or something like that. You know? And then I met Brett, but it's hopefully y'all seen Brett in them other loose leaf videos that I did yesterday that I uploaded and stuff like that, you know? So I don't know how many times Kristen appeared on my show. She appeared on my show twice a year. Okay, for Comic-Con, for MechaCon. Twice in 2015, Comic-Con, MechaCon. Twice in 2016, Comic-Con, MechaCon. She missed MechaCon 2017. She missed Comic-Con 2018, you know. And then I have a card from somebody right here. Okay. Y'all see this? Yep. Well, I don't know if she wanted me to show y'all that, but I apologize if she offended by me showing y'all her card. I am very, very sorry. Okay. If she watching this episode. Okay. All right. So thank y'all for watching this MechaCon episode, Unexpectedly Dead. Like Bob Barker said, help control the pet population. Have y'all pets spayed and neutered, okay? I love saying that, you know, and I enjoy Bob Barker, okay? God bless Bob, you know. Thank y'all for watching this show. And one more thing I want to say. I'm so glad Drew Carey could continue that legacy, okay? Thank y'all for watching, all right? Bye-bye.